The following video features are actually performed by AI-generated software. Therefore, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken seriously. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog here, man. Before we get into today's video, man, make sure y'all hit that sub button right now. At 15,000 subscribers, bro, we gonna have a hell dog, man. It's either we gonna build the 5.7 or we gonna do a full Hellcat build, man. So make sure y'all subscribe right now, man. 15,000 subscribers. And also, don't forget to drop a like right now, man. Let's get this video. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this video gonna do good. 500 likes. I need 500 likes because as y'all can see by the title, we finna race the good old 5.7 versus the good old 6.1, man. Simple as that, man. I'm finna pop the hoods real quick. Let me, you know what I'm saying? Get everything situated. Give me like 2 seconds. Hey, man, I'm finna open the hoods. It should be open in about 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is low-key tough right here, man. But as y'all can see, we got the Hell Pup. We got the SRT8, man. I need y'all to comment right now, man. I ain't gonna lie. We finna put these things next to each other and race, bro. Who y'all think winning, man? The original SRT or the good old, look, slightly built 5.7, man? Y'all already know, man. The 6.1 got 425 horsepower stock, 425 things. You know what I'm saying? Got the aluminum intake, man. Or intake manifold, my bad. Then you got your, you know what I'm saying? We got the little headers, a little good Corsa, a little good little tune, good little. We gonna see if this thing can beat a 425 horsepower car, man, of the good old 5.7, man. So we gonna see, man. So I ain't gonna lie. So regardless, I'm gonna be happy at the result because if we get just slightly beat by the 6.1, you know what I'm saying? We that's cool for me, you know what I'm saying? Or if we beat the 6.1, we obviously know my RT faster than 425 horses.
I hope so.
Okay. So today's video is gonna show a lot, y'all, but this gonna be hella tough. You got the old Gen 6.1 versus a new Gen 5.7, man. Which one is gonna be faster, bro? So I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go pick up some people real quick. You know what I'm saying? I need a couple views, a couple angles. One in the 5.7, one in the 6.1. Need a couple angles, like at the start, the finish. You know what I'm saying? So we got to get the guys together real quick. Probably gonna pick up my brother or something. And we finna get this thing cracking, man. So like I said, man, comment below. Make sure y'all drop a like, drop a sub. Cause I ain't gonna lie, Hell Dog is coming up soon for 15,000 subscribers, brother. I ain't gonna lie. This video is about to be crazy, y'all. Talking, man, when I get to the, you know what I'm saying, Mexico, where we gonna be racing at, bro? I'm gonna begin recording again, man. Simple as that, man. So I'll see y'all in about 1 second.
A few moments later.
As you can see, we got the 5.7 and the 6.1 here, man. We got the guys right here, man. Shout out to the guys helping your boy out, man. Who you think winning today?
SRT.
Damn, nobody got faith in it. Who you think winning today?
I hope not the 6.1, man.
Why are you saying you hope not?
I hope not,
That is the
bro.
original SRT.
But that's the little Hell Pup, though. I put money into that.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. That's a SRT. That's a fake SRT.
Come on, gang.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it first.
Come on, gang.
SRT right here. What's this motor? 5.7.
Damn.
What we got right here? We got a dog right here.
All right.
We got big 6.1, big coder intake, big SRT, you know what I'm saying? We got big Coca-Cola on it. Hey, look though. What the C say though?
That's true.
SRT!
Not 392 though. As y'all can see, we got a lot of space in Mexico. We gotta see which one is gonna win, man. Like I said, comment below which one y'all think is gonna win. I ain't gonna lie, we probably gonna have AJ drive the 6.1.
I can never be nothing that's not an SRT. One thing about it, my name is SRT8, your name is 300. Okay, chill.
You got no lotion on your
Chill.
6.1 versus 5.7 officially.
Oh, I feel like a bitch doing this. Scoot up a little bit.
Sport mode in here?
Huh?
Is it a sport mode?
No, I don't know. Do I turn my traction off?
Round 1.
3, 2, 1. Huh? Cause you slow as shit.
That's the end. The end is right here.
You slow as shit. All right.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1. Alright, man. Thing off traction. Come on, man. Let's get it. Alright. Let's get it, man. Oh, you just hit it. Oh, you just dropped it. My nigga, that's it. He just cheated. Literally jumped so hard. Why did that nigga just jump so hard? Cheated. You literally just jumped hard as shit. I hope it's on video. You just jumped hard as shit. He just literally cheated, bro. So we gonna scratch that one off. AJ can't race for nothing, bro.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1.
You suck. No. Stop jumping, please. I didn't have sport mode. I wasn't in manual. Like,
Bro, you're making excuses?
I'm not making excuses. It's actually facts. It's on video. I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready now. Now I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm first now. He got me at the end. That is so crazy. I thought I had him. Not the 6.1 faster than the 5.7. Fuck! Jesus! What the? Oh my god! I'm actually disappointed right now, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Ain't no way I put this money into this car and this shit's still slow like that. See, I got a win right here. I'm not gonna lie. Best of 3!
That's an L, bro.
Bruh, fuck you.
You thought you had me, huh?
Fuck you.
Hey, I'm sorry.
I had you until the end, bro.
My phone died. Sorry about that part, but hey, I helped you down. Let me call the chat.
Ah.
So, chat. Guess who won? That's SRT. Hey, he had me for a little bit.
Round 3.
I'm overly ready, brother.
Come on, mama. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Ain't no way that's gonna be so ready. I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna lose that one. I wasn't winning. I wasn't gonna win that one. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a road race and see if the 5.7. We probably don't even gotta do a best out of 2. I can't beat an old ass car from a dig. It's time to get this up, man. We're gonna come back to this 5.7 soon, man. We might have to build it on the. We might build the Hell Dog with the 5.7. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, here we go, y'all. First road race, man. 5.7 versus 6.1. Let's get it, man. Okay. Alright, here we go. Yeah, you made my shit.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
We gonna win a road race in this. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We probably gotta be done though. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably getting hot in Mexico. We probably gotta be done. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fuck you.
Post-game interviews right here. You want to hear what I got to say? I just booked your ass.
Bro, I beat you in a road.
Wait, time out. I didn't downshift 1. 2, I started honking you, but we ran out of road. Hey, that's facts, though. That's facts.
15,000 subs. I'm going cat, bro. I got to, bro. The 5.7 is done for now. I'm not gonna lie. For all that money for that's what I'm saying. All that money for nothing, gang.
Build the 5.7, Pro charge it so he can finally beat a SRT.
You did, Shane. Ooh! Short case!
Fuck this dude, bro.
Put up a good fight though. Headers. What else you need? A cam. E85 still wouldn't beat it. Hey, good fight, brother.
I'm finna rip this badge
Yeah,
off.
take the badge off. Do better. Hey, he just slapped him on the butt. He said,
bro?
good game.
Bro, don't get don't get
Two niggas? Is these two niggas? Is they two niggas, yes or no?
that one ain't.
This or not? Yeah! Good game, brother.
I'm so disappointed, y'all. Please give me the 15,000 subscribers. I'm begging you, bro. I'm done with this RT shit. I'm done with the 5.7s. I'll try to put on with the 5.7s as much as I can. I need a cam or a pro charge now, bro.
15,000, he goes Hellcat. Then, who knows what happens after that?
Y'all heard it, man. Don't shake your head, bro.
Hey, we should have side betted because you had money on the 5.7.
Loud for nothing, bro. I'm so disappointed, y'all. Hey, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that vid, man. I'm finna take the boys back home. This up. I ain't gonna lie. I'm done with this. I'm done with this car. No way, this old ass car.
Y'all see what this car can do, man. Hey, buy it.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm a little disappointed right now, bro. We finna just do a little last POV drive with the 5.7. Cause ain't no way, bro. It's loud ass, slow ass car, man. Straight bullshit, cuz. Straight bullshit. Damn. Damn, bro, they put a speed bump every 2 seconds. God.
Niggas like you.
I know. No bullshit. Sound good, but that's all it's good for, man. God damn, 5.7.
And them still perfect. You don't give a fuck.
Why they fuck they stop like that?
Oh yeah.
Ain't doing it right here. Hell no.
That's how you feeling? That's how you feeling?
Crazy, bro. Not crazy. All right, y'all. So we got a little problem with this 5.7 motherfucker. Damn, damn. Man, that shit stripped, cuz. Some straight bull. Man, I'm done with this 5.7, bro. Just everything going wrong with this 5.7, bro. Fuck with, oh, this your fault.
Hey, now it's my fault.
Bad luck is game. Like, I'm done with this car, bro.